Hi YouTubers, I have a delicious new recipe I want to share with you, spicy ginger chicken. Keep watching to find out the recipe. So here I have 800 grams of chicken drumsticks, which I'm going to season with 1 teaspoon of seasoned oil. Then mix in together with your hands. Next add 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Then mix the ingredients together with your hands. Next add 1 scotch bonnet and 2 3cm pieces of fresh ginger that was previously blended in a food processor with 1 teaspoon of water. Distribute evenly using a spoon and then mix together with your hands. Lastly, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then mix the ingredients together with your hands. Then pour 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over the chicken and then place in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 30 minutes and turn over after 45 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and for instructions for this recipe, please visit the Cooking Delight website. And for more videos, please subscribe to my channel today.